welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today we have a great news for all the people who love to listen Hindi songs, and that too old Hindi songs, the evergreen, melodious, beautiful songs written in the era of 50s, 60s, 70s, and 90s. Now, Saregama Carvaan has come up with a great device which gives you 5,000 evergreen Hindi songs. Now, can you imagine one of the best devices which you can get, which looks so premium and classy? On top of that, you get all your favorite old songs, your favorite singers in one device. Yes, this is called Saregama Carvaan. In this video, we are going to talk about all the features of this beautiful device. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share this on social media. Now let us see what exactly is Saregama Carvaan. Now Saregama Carvaan Premium with companion app, 52 additional station launched in India. Now earlier Saregama has already launched this device, but now this device is renamed as Saregama Carvaan Premium. Now this comes with an app which is called Companion app. Earlier you had to tune it with the help of a remote, and you would get the songs displayed on the device, which looks like a radio. But now, you with the help of this companion app, you can get all the songs on your mobile phone. So you won't require a remote. You don't need to look at the interface of the device. All you need is an app on your mobile phone, and you can play whatever favorite songs you want to play. You can create your own list, you can select your favorite singers, you can make a great playlist of your favorite songs which you want to listen in the morning, afternoon, or at bedtime. It is such a great deal which has happened only because of Caravan Premium with the help of companion app. I'm sure this is all because of the feedback which Saregama Carvaan has received from the people. So I'm sure this is going to be very exciting. It's a new Carvaan Premium variant in India. The speaker comes with a companion app for Android and iOS, that is Apple operating system. It allows users to make it easy to select songs, create playlists, and more. Now, Saregama Carvaan comes with inbuilt stereo speakers and 5,000 evergreen Hindi songs. It also has 52 new stations based on heroes and heroines on which the song was picturized. There is also a new now an aux port for plugging in additional devices to listen to music stored on that device. So it's not only these 5,000 songs which you can listen on this device, but also you can plug in your mobile and you can play any song with any app. So it will not only work as a device where you can listen to these old songs, but also play your favorite music, which can be the latest songs going around these days. The rechargeable battery is touted to last for 5 hours, which is huge. The company offers all India doorstep warranty of 1 year. Now, I have personally experienced this device, and it is one of the amazing devices. The earlier version used to come in three variants, but the premium which has been launched now with the help of this app is certainly going to change the market, and it is going to create a huge demand in the market. Now, the Saregama Caravan app is available for free download on the Play Store and App Store. The app allows users to view the entire list of 5,000 songs, search for a song, artist, or album, and create a playlist with your favorite songs as well. So, if you love to listen to old songs or someone in your family, then Saregama Caravan is the best option available in the market. You can also gift it to someone whom you really love and who would love to listen. Evergreen, Hindi songs. It's a great gift option. So I'm sure you have liked this video, and I'm sure you will certainly consider buying this great, amazing looking device for your personal use. Thanks for watching this video. You can press the like button, share this video on social media, and also press the subscribe button so that you get all the updates, new videos every day. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.